Hello and welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of sending PDF file in your Messenger app. So when you try to open up your Messenger app and try to send in these PDF files, you would see that there is no option. You can only send photos and videos through your mobile app of Messenger. But you can send in these PDF files using the website of Messenger or Facebook. But through the mobile app, it is not possible straight away. But however, there is a way that you can send it. That is with the help of Google Drive. As you can see on the top, I have sent this PDF file with the help of Google Drive. I just uploaded the file to Google Drive and then send in this link. So to do the exact same for you as well, firstly you'll need to head over to the PDF file that you want to send in. Once you head over to the PDF file, you just need to share this file to your Google Drive. So just select the file, tap on send and send it to Google Drive. Select your Google account and select the location and tap on select. Tap on save on the top right and this PDF file now will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Once the file has been uploaded, you can now open up your Google Drive app and open up the section where you just send in this PDF file and just tap on the three dots right here and tap on manage access. By default, this would not be viewable by everyone, so just tap on change, tap on restricted and tap on anyone with the link. Now when you send in these PDF files, other people can open up the link. Tap on the three dots again and tap on copy link. Once this link has been copied, you can now open up your Messenger app and then paste the link that you just copied. And so now this way you can easily send in PDF files to the other person on Messenger. This way they can easily view the PDF file and also download it. So that's the way that you can send PDF file in Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.